All right, today we're going to talk about an equation solving skill that we like to affectionately call fraction busting. That's not a real math phrase, it's just what we like to call it. Here's the idea. Let's say we're faced with solving an equation like zooming in. Let's say we're faced with solving an equation like 2/3 plus, or 2/3 x plus 6 is equal to, let's say, 4/5. And we just go, oh, ugly fractions, no, I don't like dealing with fractions. Fractions make me angry. Well, here's a way we can deal with the fractions without having to deal with fractions. We know that if we were to multiply this equation by any number on both sides, we would get a new equation that has the same solutions as this one. So that's what we're going to do, but we're going to do this strategically. First, I look at the numerator of that first fraction and I say, oh, well, if I multiply this whole side by 3, then that numerator will multiply out because I would have 3 times 2/3 x, and those 3's would divide out and I would just have 2x left. Now we have to be careful. That 3, though, does have to distribute. So it's going to be plus 3 times 6. And on the right-hand side, it's going to be 3 times 4/3, which would just be 12/5. So we're going to have 2x plus 18 is equal to 12/5. Now, we've still got a fraction left, but look now, we started with 2 fractions, now we only have 1 fraction. So how do we deal with that fraction? Well, wrapping both sides in parentheses, multiplying both sides now by 5. Because when I multiply 12/5 by 5, I'm going to just get 12. 5 times 2x is 10x, plus 5 times 18 is 90. And now if we look at the equation we have no more fractions. And because we have no more fractions, we can solve this rather easily. Subtracting 90 from both sides, we get 10x is equal to -78. Then dividing both sides by 10, we simplify and we get x is equal to -78 divided by 10. They both have a 2 in them, so that would be the negative of something over 5. What would that be? It would be 39/5, I believe. Okay. So the idea is if we have some fractions and we don't want to have fractions, we can simply multiply by the denominators of the fractions, and the new equivalent equations we have will have those fractions busted out of them. So let's go ahead and do one more quick example in a different video.